Hey guys, okay, we're gonna start this video off. The last video got a lot of response, amazing amount of people that are viewing. I just want to say thank you guys for watching my videos, to even care to watch. But I'm gonna break these things down. You're looking to get paid, and last time I talked about how to get paid online with paid service, but I'm gonna break down something even more. It's even more spectacular, it's better, it's more money, however you want to put it. But this is the actual website, just to kind of jog your memory. If you remember from the last video, maybe you didn't see the other video, so I want to make sure you see this. This is for people who are wanting to, well, what I did is I put these pages together for someone who wanted to actually see all of the jobs and stuff listed on a piece of paper, because they weren't that computer savvy. But I said, well, let me show you guys this. When you come into the back office, when you become a member of this this private membership, what's going to happen is, your first thing you're going to see is your status is going to be active. So I'm in the back of mine on this one, and what I did is I just printed out each page on the website. Okay, so the first thing you see is that the average people are making $700 a month. The top earning people are making $5 grand plus. I definitely believe that. I'm going to show you why in just a minute. I like to always put this in here. If you cancel your membership at any time, you cancel your earnings, rewards, your daily alerts, your site access, and your profile to our partners. So definitely, that's not something you want to do unless you want to lose a lot of money. Now, what I'm going to tell you, the next thing you're going to see when you scroll down from there is you're going to see like this menu item right here, where you can actually click on different things. What you want to do is click on, let's see what's that, page studies right there, page studies, and it's going to take you to this page. Is going to open up. Okay, now what I did is I blurred out like the phone numbers and stuff like that, because I did not get permission from these places for people to start calling through the video. But what I'm going to show you is how much you can make potentially. Okay, and I'm going to spend my time focused on this. Every month, this particular membership, okay, and the link is below if you want to sign up. It's on there, download to sign up. This particular membership, this high paying membership, it comes out, it's updated every single 30 days, okay? And it has been for the 2 years that I've been a part of it. Again, you're looking at my back office right now. What I did is I printed this out, okay? You can see the date I printed it out. Okay, this is for a healthy adult. Now, you need to be over 18 for most of this stuff. So if you're young, there's things in there for you, but the high paying things, you need to be 18. All right, check this out. Up to $5,275. 5,000, up to 3,000, 7,000, up to 7,000, up to 100, up to, what did I say, 5,000, 8,500, up to 5,000, 7,945 to 8,000. So the list goes on and on and on and on and on. This is the real deal, guys. This is the real deal. All right, so what do you need to be, or what do you need to have? Okay, all of them say be a healthy adult or a healthy volunteer. Someone, for this one, it says you need to have depression. So if you have depression, you fit. This one, you have to be post-menopausal. This one, you got to be healthy. This one, you got to have the psoriasis. This one, you have to not smoke, and healthy. So all they're looking for most of these is for you to be healthy, or be a smoker, or have dementia or Alzheimer's disease, or what's this one right here? Be an adult, not an inpatient. So, once you click on it, these will be clickable links. Once you open them up, they'll give you all the details. They'll give you the name of the company. They'll give you the address. They'll give you the phone number. They'll give you how they're gonna pay you out. If it's daily, weekly, that all that kind of stuff. They'll give you the contact person's name and all that. So you can see there's phone numbers. This is the real deal. Okay, so this is what you want to do, guys. The link is below. I didn't want to make this video too long. We're at 4 minutes right now, but I can show you. Let me see. Show you another page too right here. You can see right here they got. Let me show you this one right here. They got the doctor's names. They got some of the right there. Amazon says this one, enter $10 Amazon's gift card, $20 an hour. They got the person's name, contact name, and all that. I didn't get permission from them, so I don't want to show too much of their names and stuff like that. but this is the real deal. Okay, this is also the premium jobs. You'll see this as soon as you get in. From this menu, you go down, you see the premium jobs. Okay, volunteers needed for paid research study, 440. Paid volunteers for a sunscreen survey, 150. You got looks like back pain or something like that. What does that say? Osteoarthritis, and it says osteoarthritis for 750. That's like bone, I think like your bone density, or like if you're losing bone or something like that. Participants needed in a study that pays 250 in Syracuse. Spokane, Washington is studies with, what does that say? Uterine fibrosis, varies by study, 500. Okay, I'm reading this through my camera. So yeah, guys, this is the real deal. Some of them are in certain cities, some of them are worldwide, some of them are nationwide, United States only. Okay, so you'll find out all the details. They got pages and pages and pages of this. Okay, and you can see how much they're paying. Okay, this is some serious money. So that's why people are able to make this number here, where you see it says 5,000 per month. Okay, it's easy, or more, because all they got to do is do a couple of these surveys, and bam, or these paid what is it called? These paid studies. These are called paid studies. Okay, so you got surveys, and then you got paid studies. Okay, the paid studies are the ones that are offering like $5 grand. The surveys are the ones where they show you the websites to go to, how to navigate through them and get paid really quickly from them. Like this one right here, the $400 sign-up bonus. Now, if you don't know what that is, you can check out my other video on that, because I go through how to get 400 bucks real quick. But I want to keep this video kind of short, so I'm going to end it here. The link is below the video, guys. It's a paid membership. It is 100% legit. It's been around for 2 years. I've been a part of it for a long time, for 2 years as well. And it is like, I don't know, I think it's the best thing online right now for making money. And it's the easiest. You don't need any experience. Okay, again, just be healthy. And or if you do the surveys, just follow the steps right here under step-by-step tutorials. They're going to break it down for you. All right, guys, the link's below. Thanks for watching.